Kunsten er lang, og livet er kort. Vi maler vores verden med farver. Se min kunst og mærk mit hjerte. Livet er en gave, kærligheden lærer alt.
Shirt hangs light, the fretboard in hand. The muscle festival gathers the land. 10,000 voices, the drums start to play. In the heat of the summer, in the middle of day. Against the slow tide, with a song in his pocket and nothing to hide. He's Klaus Emilius, the voice in the gale, a story of grit that will never turn pale. Not bound by the burden, not bound by the weight, singing defiance at the gates of his fate. 70 songs in the studio glare, a lifetime of wisdom laid out in the air. Muscular turning for a century more, writing the notes that we've all waited for. From stadium thunder to quiet embrace, the lines of his journey are etched of his fate. He meets all the strangers, the broken and bold, who share him the stories that never get told. A mirror of courage, a beacon of spark, lifting the heavy to find their own mark. He's Klaus Emilius, the voice in the gale, a story of grit that will never turn pale. Not bound by the burden, not bound by the weight, singing defiance at the gates of his The heroes to close him, the winner is near. But the songs that he planted are ringing so clear.